PH is here to explain it all to you. Hello there, my wonderful little adventurers. Today we are going to embark on an incredible journey, traveling far back in history to a time millions and millions of years ago. Have you ever imagined what planet Earth was like in the time of the dinosaurs? So please stay tuned because today's PH Explains is all about this very important question. How exactly did dinosaurs live their lives? Oh my goodness, Rex is running after me, help! Calm down everyone, Rex is just my neighbor's dog, but everything's fine now. Dinosaurs were giant creatures that ruled the entire planet Earth. And today, we have some evidence of their existence because of footprints and bones that are found in various places around the world. They were discovered by scientists, specifically called paleontologists, who are responsible for finding these ancient fossils, as well as documenting the precise dates and places where they were originally discovered. Dinosaurs came in a truly wide variety of sizes, and this directly impacted their survival, where they would live and what they would eat. The striking characteristic of these animals was their upright posture and legs positioned beneath their bodies. Some creatures were herbivores, feeding solely on various plants. Others were carnivores, and these predatory carnivores possessed truly sharp teeth, you know? Some had delicate feathers on their bodies, much like birds. Others had robust, bony plates scattered across their heads and along their backs, which could effectively help regulate their temperature. On their heads, they could also have distinctive crests, prominent horns, or even unique helmet-like shapes. Guys, look closely at what I've discovered here in this fascinating book. Where dinosaurs lived truly depended on several important factors. They ranged from dense forests, where they could hide and search for their food, to wide open plains for running and hunting. If you think it's hot today, just imagine back then, when it was much, much warmer. This book here is amazing. If there was ever a group that always stuck together, it was the dinosaurs, because they helped each other both in hunting and in protecting themselves from other predators. Paleontologists divided the age of dinosaurs, called the Mesozoic era, into three periods. The Triassic period is the first of them. It was during this time that the first dinosaurs began to appear. The climate was hot and dry, and the continent was still one single landmass, known as Pangaea. There are so many interesting facts, I just can't put it down. The next period is the Jurassic. During this time, dinosaurs truly diversified into various distinct species that became increasingly and impressively larger. Many of the magnificent animals from this incredible era were the absolute largest ever to walk the entire planet. How incredibly cool! The last period was the Cretaceous. It was the longest of them all. And it was then that dinosaurs evolved the most and became gigantic. Great legends emerged, such as the Tyrannosaurus Rex and the most famous, the Triceratops. These animals have starred in a lot of movies, haven't they? The separation of the continents was already well underway, as was the formation of oceans and seas. About 66 million years ago, the extinction of the dinosaurs took place. A massive, gigantic asteroid headed toward planet Earth, creating a crater 180 kilometers wide and 20 kilometers deep in the region that is now Mexico. The Earth's environment changed drastically. Temperatures began to significantly drop, and the extensive debris from the catastrophic collision started to effectively block out the sun. This ultimately resulted in drastic and widespread changes to global temperatures. About 75% of all species went extinct. But some individuals survived and evolved into birds. Yes, birds are direct descendants of those dinosaurs. After a long period of time, many forms appeared, and among them were the primates, which gave rise to Homo sapiens. Of course, today we study this period and dinosaur species because we are fascinated by the unknown. That's it, folks, a truly very important and significant moment here on PH Explica. A brand new segment, PH Asks, is being introduced. Don't worry, there's no need to be nervous. We are now going to thoroughly test your extensive knowledge right there at home. Let's carefully examine the intriguing question that the dedicated production team has specifically sent over to us. Without further ado, let's proceed directly to the question itself. What is the specific profession responsible for studying dinosaur fossils, discovering their dates and geological periods? I mentioned this on the show, didn't I? Option A, paleontologists. Option B, professional dentists. Option C, dedicated journalists. Or option D, a medical doctor. Time is now on the screen for 10 full seconds. Kids, your time is officially up. Dentists and doctors are definitely not the correct answers to this particular question. And let PH explain it to you. The dentist takes care of our teeth and the doctor finds out if we're sick. Now we have the options: paleontologists and journalists. 3 more seconds for you to think. If you chose option A, paleontologists, then congratulations, you have indeed got it right. That way we understand not only the history of the Earth, but also how living beings evolved. That's it for now, and you already know, if you didn't understand, stay tuned, because PH explains and makes it easy on TV and on YouTube. And Oliveira